BSNL, the leading Indian telecommunications company, is ready to unleash its 4G services nationwide, generating a buzz on social media. This development arrives as private telecom operators recently revised their tariffs in July 2024. BSNL's latest offering is a recharge plan, which boasts an extensive validity of 395 days. For just Rs 2399, subscribers can enjoy this remarkable plan, which equates to a monthly cost of approximately Rs 200. With this plan, users will receive a generous daily allocation of 2 GB high-speed data, along with 100 free SMS and unlimited voice calls across all networks throughout the country. On top of that, the plan includes free roaming nationwide and offers value-added services like Zing Music, BSNL Tunes, Hardy Games, Challenger Arena Games, and Game and Astratel. While BSNL gears up for its 4G launch, private telecom giants such as Reliance Jio, Airtel and Vodafone have recently increased their prices for several plans. These adjustments impact both prepaid and postpaid users, potentially affecting millions of subscribers. However, it's worth noting that these companies still offer monthly, quarterly and annual plans. Airtel in particular has adjusted the prices across various popular plans, striving to strike a balance between affordability and enhanced services. Some notable changes include the 1 GB day plan for 28 days, now priced at Rs 299, up from Rs 265. Similarly, the 5 GB day plan for 28 days has increased to Rs 349 from Rs 299, and the 2 GB day plan for 28 days is now priced at Rs 409, previously Rs 359. Furthermore, the 5 GB day plan for 84 days is now Rs 859, up from Rs 719, and the 2 GB day plan for 84 days comes at Rs 979, previously Rs 839. Additionally, the 5 GB day plan for 365 days is now Rs 599, up from Rs 2999. Reliance Jio has also made adjustments to its tariffs, affecting several popular plans. The company's 2 annual prepaid plans were initially priced at Rs 559 and Rs 999, but will now be available at Rs 899 and Rs 599 respectively. Other notable changes include the 2 GB day plan for 28 days, now priced at Rs 349, up from Rs 299, and the 5 GB day plan for 28 days, which has increased to Rs 299 from Rs 239. The 3 GB day plan for 28 days, however, remains unchanged at Rs 449. As BSNL prepares to launch its 4G services, the telecom sector in India is expected to witness significant shifts. This will provide consumers with a variety of new options and revised pricing from different providers. Stay tuned for the exciting changes ahead.